How to buy Grok3AI token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money in on crypto with the best referral code simply as goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Go and check their Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinEX. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet. For that, I will just log into my wallet first. So what you need to do, click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here, as you can see, type how much you want to buy. And as you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap. So after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here or custom it, because the most of issues, as you know, is came from the slip patch. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Grok3AI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.